As I was saying, I encourage our school to implement Khan Academy as an enhancement to help our students gain the knowledge to the content being taught with the school curriculum. In Intercall Standard G, the online teacher demonstrates competencies in creating and implementing assessments in online learning environment in ways that ensures fidelity and reliability of the instruments and procedure. Well, in Khan Academy, the students are required to take to pass the 10 questions in a row to demonstrate understanding of the concept. When the students miss one question, he or she has to answer more questions to make up for it. When they do pass the 10 questions, they are learning and being proficient. The mechanics enforce students to become proficient in the concept before they move on to the next level. Khan Academy teachers know how to implement online assessments to measure the materials in ways that ensure instrument fidelity. Each concept is connected in a network of interactive lessons on the knowledge map. It gives students a way to know which areas they are competent and where they need more support. And the students earn mastery badges for the accomplishments of what they know once they do pass those 10 questions in a row. According to Intercall Standard H, the online teacher develops and deliver assessments, projects, and assessment that meet standard-based learning goals and assess learning progress by measuring students' achievement of the learning goal. Well, Intercall, the teacher develops and deliver assessments and content that meet standard-based learning goals and assess learning progress by measuring students' achievements of the learning goal. The automated testing and performance tracking make it easier to see which students are struggling and which students are not. The teachers know and understand to reach for authentic assessment and are a part of the evaluation process. It gives the teacher ample information about when to intervene if the students need help or not, or when to go forward. The teacher is able to apply authentic assessment as part of the evaluation, assess students beyond traditional assessments, and monitor academic. The teacher knows the relationship between the assessment, the assignments, and the standard-based learning. So, for that, the teacher is able to create, select, and organize the appropriate assignments and assessment to go with the content. Last but not least, Intercall Standard I. The online teacher demonstrates competency in using data from assessments and other data sources to modify content and to guide students' learning. Well, Khan Academy can track what students know by the automated testing and the performance tracking. It gives the teachers lots of information on when to intervene when the student is not doing too well. It also uses the data to plan instructions. The teacher uses effective learning strategy for each individual to formulate future instructions from their assessment's results. So the teacher evaluates the instruction strategy to determine the usefulness of the content being presented. If it's not enough, the teacher will provide more. If it's too much, the teacher will reduce. So in the end, the teacher wants to bring every student up to the same level of proficiency in the shortest amount of time. So, like I said, Khan Academy, it does a lot of good for everybody. So we should implement it into our school. Thank you.